Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class. Let's continue with the remaining mains of exercise 19b. Today it is fourth main. The heading is subtract. So in the previous video we have already discussed about how to add the polynomials. Today let's move on to the next operation, that is subtraction. Read the question carefully, children. It is said that 5a minus 3b plus 2c from a minus 4b minus 2c. So while doing the addition process, let's recall what are the steps we were following. We used to write the polynomials one next to the other. In between the polynomials, we used to identify, or we used to add plus sign. Later, grouping the like terms and do the simplification by applying the method of algebraic addition or subtraction by observing the sign. But when it comes for the subtraction, subtract this polynomial from this polynomial. In this case, it's very important to note down how to write it symbolically by using minus sign. As it is, subtract the first polynomial from the second one. Always while doing subtraction, the polynomial or the term after from seems to be the first one. So I need to write this a minus 4b minus 2c minus of. Whenever you are subtracting, the second polynomial after the minus sign should be indicated with a bracket. So while doing addition, I have told you this already. When you are doing addition, none of the values will get changed. It remains the same. So bracket is not necessary. But while doing subtraction, one polynomial from the other one, write down the second polynomial, that is the value after from should come first, followed by minus sign, and the value should be inside the bracket. In the third main, we have already learned how to open the bracket. How to open the bracket? When there is a minus sign, to open the bracket, all the terms will be with opposite sign. That is minus into plus minus 5a, minus into minus plus 3b, minus into plus minus 2c. If you cannot remember the minus into minus plus formula, at least see that you will write it in the opposite sign. Plus 5a will become minus 5a, minus 3b will become plus 3b, plus 2c will become minus 2c. This is the first step which you need to do while doing subtraction, children. Subtract any value from the other value. So the value after from should be written first, followed by minus sign, and the next value should be inside the bracket. So that is first step. Second step is to open the bracket by rewriting the second terms with the opposite sign. Now remaining things are same. What is that? Grouping the like terms. A minus 5a minus 4b plus 3b minus 2c minus 2c. So after grouping the like terms, what we need to do? Observe the sign and do the simplification. A minus 5a, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract and write the greater number sign, that is minus 4a. 1 minus 1 plus, subtract it. 4b minus 3b is b, greater number is 4, it is followed by minus b. Now minus 2c minus 2c, both the values are minus, so what to do? Add and write the minus sign. So the solution is 4a minus b minus 4c. So this is the way how we need to subtract the given values in the row method. So we have one more method called as column method. So for the first 2-3 problems, let's learn both the method, but we prefer always the row method than the column method. So now when you are writing the terms here also, what we need to do? Subtract any value from the other value. Here we have again two polynomials. So while doing it in the row method, what we did? We wrote the second polynomial, that is the value after from, we wrote it as first, and later we wrote the first polynomial. Here also we need to follow the same method. When it is asked to subtract any value from the other value, we should write the value after from first and followed by the second polynomial. But while doing it in column method, the first step is to change the sign of the second polynomial what you have written in the column method. That is, plus will be taken as minus, minus will be taken as plus, plus will be taken as minus. So what we do while doing subtraction in column method, we write the polynomial after from first, then later the second polynomial, and before doing subtraction, change the sign plus to minus, minus to plus. Once the sign is changed, you are not supposed to consider this will be cancelled. Please don't look into that. Now you have to look into the new sign. Here I have plus 5a minus 5a. Plus 5a minus 5a is minus 4a. Minus 4b plus 3b minus b. Minus 2c minus 2c is minus 4c. Solution remains the same in row method as well as in column method. Second question. So subtract this from the second one. So what to do? Write this first. 12x plus 7y minus 21z minus of. So the second polynomial should be written with the bracket whenever there is minus. Now open the bracket. Opening the bracket means what? Writing the terms inside the bracket with the opposite sign. Plus to minus, minus to plus, again plus to minus. The second step is very easy. Grouping the like terms. 12x minus 4x first group, plus 7y plus 6y second group, minus 21z minus 3z, that is the third group. Now with x terms, 1 plus 1 minus 12 minus 4 is 8x, followed by plus sign because 12 is the greater one. Here plus 7y both are positive, add and write the plus sign. Now minus 21z minus 3z both are negative, so add and write the minus sign. So 21 plus 3 will be equal to 24z. So the solution is 8x plus 13y minus 24z. So let's see what happens in the column method. So for the first three problems, let's do both the methods, children, and you copy the same in the classwork also. Okay. So what is the second one? Polynomial, that is after from 12x plus 7y minus 21z. Next 4x minus 6y plus 3z. So while doing subtraction, what we need to do? Change the sign of the second polynomial. Plus to minus, minus to plus, plus to minus. Once the sign is changed, the original sign will be cancelled. So look into the new sign. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4 is 8x. Plus 7y plus 6y plus 13y minus 21z minus 3z minus 24z. Next, question number 3. So write value after from first, that is 5a minus 7b plus 2c minus of 5 minus a minus 4b plus 4c. Now open the bracket. What do you mean by opening the bracket? Change the sign to the opposite one. Plus to minus, minus to plus, minus to plus, plus to minus. Now group the like terms. 5a plus a minus 7b plus 4b plus 2c minus 4c. We have only one constant term, that is minus 5. Now 5a plus a, both are plus, add it, so it is 6a. Minus 7b plus 4b, one minus and the other one is plus. subtracted. 7 minus 4 is 3. Greater number is 7. Hence it is minus 3b. Plus 2c minus 4c. 1 plus 1 minus, subtracted. Greater number is minus. So minus 2c and the constant term minus 5 remains the same. 6a minus 3b minus 2c minus 5. Let's move on to the column method. 5a minus 7b plus 2c. So while writing it in column method, follow the order with like terms. First minus 5a, next minus 4b plus 4c plus 5. Change the sign of the second polynomial, what you have written in column method. Minus to plus, minus to plus, plus to minus, plus to minus. 5, this will be cancelled. So 5a plus a is 6a. Minus 7b plus 4b is minus 3b plus 2c minus 4c is minus 2c minus 5. So while doing column method, children, I have circled it and I have cancelled it just to make you to understand. You please don't do that. So it makes you to understand that while doing simplification, we are not supposed to consider the original sign. We have to consider the new sign what we have changed for the process of subtraction. 5a plus a, both are plus, add and write the plus sign. Minus 7b plus 4b, 1 minus 1 plus, subtracted, greater number is 7, so minus 3b. Now plus 2c minus 4c, 1 plus 1 minus, subtract, greater number is 4, so it is minus 2c. Here we don't have any other term, so hence the constant term remains the same, minus 5. In both the case, the solution seems to be the same. But most of the time we prefer row method than the column one. But in certain cases, you will be applying column method, so it is necessary to learn both the methods. Okay, let's move on to the fourth problem. X minus y minus z minus of 8x minus 12y plus 17z. Open the bracket. Minus 8x plus 12y minus 17z. Opening the bracket means changing the sign of all the terms inside the bracket. Now group it. X minus 8x minus y plus 12y minus z minus 17z. First with like terms with x. X minus 8x. X minus 8x is 1 plus 1 minus. So subtract it and write the greater number sign, that is minus 7x. Next. Minus y plus 12y, that is plus 11y. 1 plus 1 minus, so hence it is plus 11y. 12 minus 1 is 11. Minus z minus 17z, it results as minus 18z. Both are minus, so add and write the minus sign. So let me check whether I went wrong somewhere. Minus 8x minus 12y plus 17z from x minus y minus z. Yes, see, this is minus 8x. The question is minus 8x. Extremely sorry, children. Now minus into minus will become plus. Here also plus. So 8x plus x will be equal to 9x. 9x plus 11y minus 18z. So let me make it proper. There was a slight mistake. Just correct it, children. So while writing the sign, you must be very much careful here. See, second term is x minus y minus z. Here the first term is minus 8x minus 12y plus 17z. Here you have a minus sign. X minus y minus z. Minus into minus is plus 8x. Minus into minus is plus 12y. Minus into plus is minus 17z. So x plus 8x minus y plus 12y minus z minus 17z. X plus 8x is 9x plus 11y minus 18z. So this is the solution for question number 4. Question number 5. AB minus 2CD plus 2AC plus BD minus of 2AB plus CD minus AC minus 2BD. Just open the bracket, that is AB minus 2CD plus 2AC plus BD minus 2AB minus CD plus AC plus 2BD. Plus to minus, plus to minus, minus to plus, minus to plus. Now group the like terms. Here AB, AB. Now identify the term with CD. Minus 2CD, minus CD. Next terms with AC. Plus 2AC, plus AC. Last with BD. So plus BD plus 2BD. Simplified. AB minus 2AB is minus AB. Minus 2CD minus CD is minus 3CD. Plus 2AC plus AC is plus 3AC. Plus BD plus 2BD is plus 3BD. So this is the solution for question number 5.